sir.
Right.
Being issued with the infringement notice
Yep.
for exceeding the speed limit by more than 30 kilometres per hour.
Okay.
Okay, it is a $710 fine. It's 5 points off your licence.
Yep.
It's way too quick. But if I had kept the check at 125, because when I first saw it, we were doing 125.
Oh, okay.
We would have been getting the over 45 ticket.
And I think because I've been stuck behind people for ages, I just
Booted it.
it was finally like it just got open, so I was just like, I'll get around that guy and then I'll be right. And I did back off after, but yeah.
Yeah. Still 43 hours.
Ouch. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Alright.
That's the next. I haven't had one for a while. So what are they? Between 30 and 45 over. That's basically that. The next one up is 45 over, isn't it?
Yeah, it's 1900.
And that's an instant loss of license. So just inside that.
This one here though, you will lose your license in 3 months.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Big
so
speed.
if it was 25 to 35.
Well, it's only you got under 10, over 10,
Yeah.
over 20, over 30, over 55.
I think if because I kind of need it for work. Do you think if I plead
Mate,
and
you'll
go?
probably be able to go on a good behaviour licence. You have to speak to the RTA about that. But they'll send a letter out to you advising your licence is suspended from this time from date A to date B
Yeah.
for this speed. Okay, and you may have the option of going on a good behaviour licence. Okay.
What if I plead guilty down here in court with you, and you might say, all right, I'll let him go at 20 over?
No,
Okay, I did that a few years ago. But I had to go to court to do that, and they said, all right, plead guilty.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Well, yeah, you got the options of paying it or taking it to court.
Yeah, I might do that, and then I think it sucks because you have to turn up, but then
It's
you go,
up to
all
you,
right.
mate, but
Is it worth doing that? If I go to court and you'll go, all right, if you plead guilty, go 20 over?
no, it's not up to me. It's up to the prosecutors.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
It's up to the magistrate whether they accept the plea as well. So.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Well, yeah. So you're best off getting some legal advice.
Yeah,
You're definitely doing that speed. There's no two ways about it.
yeah.
I've been standing there for a while, and I regularly
So
go to that spot.
You're out of the car.
Yeah, I was out of the car. It's not a radar. Yeah, I was out of the car. And I regularly go to that spot. And I always estimate vehicle speeds. Yeah, and you see that often enough.
So there's a laser?
Yeah, it's a laser.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's not a radar, which is a widely spread microwave beam.
Yeah.
This is a microwave. This is a laser. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a pinpoint one. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.